Okay, guys, something happened, and I just kept on going on and on and on and on, and I didn't realize that the live had been cut off. That's bruh, that one quite painful. So please, we are here. We can join back. Let me quickly just talk about the things that I said I was gonna talk about. Okay, so how is it going? How is it going? Okay, hopefully we let me quickly share this link. Let me see how I can share this link. Let me see how I can share this link. Please drop a message in the chat box if you are here. Drop a message in the chat box. Drop a message in the chat box if you're here. Hi Adiremi Mojib, good to see you here. I mean, technology is not it's not technology on my end right now. It's Hi Michael, good to see you. Thank you guys for joining back. 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 I'll have to be checking my phone in between to be sure that I am still live. And well, really, I apologize for this cause. Um, this should not be happening. So I'm going to figure out a way to make this like steady and stable so that we don't experience our life being cut off. I mean, I did a whole 15 minutes, and I was wondering, why is the live chat not buzzing? Like, why am I not seeing messages on the live chat? Only for me to find out that I'm not seeing messages on the live chat because the stream had been cut off. So um, I hope that doesn't happen again. Also, it's probably the software, but man, I'll figure it out after this. I already scheduled this live, so we might as well just do it. Okay. Let me just hold on a bit and wait for more of us. If you're here, just drop a comment, put an emoji, something, whatever, so I know that I have people that are here with me, and I can just continue from where I stopped. Hi, Nathaniel Brown. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. How are we doing? Hope we are enjoying our Monday, Sha. Um, Hope we are like, doing our analysis and whatnot. Okay, so I don't want to keep us here for much longer. I'm just going to quickly talk about one or two of the things that I said I was going to. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you guys. Makinde, Philip, good to hear from you guys. Just keep dropping the comments, keep dropping the comments. The comments is giving me ginger. Giving me ginger, giving me ginger, giving me ginger. All right, so I don't want to keep us here for too long because it's a Monday and we have to go and check our market. We have to do this analysis. We have to get it right. Even me from here from this live, I'm switching to my charts and I'm doing my analysis. If you're on the Telegram channel, then I usually drop my analysis there. I usually drop my thoughts. And so join the Telegram channel. If you not join the Telegram channel, I don't know what to say. Oh, but join the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel. Um, there's a lot coming there. I'm going to be having a Zoom with the Telegram guys. So you want to do well to join a Zoom class free of charge with Telegram guys. We're going to talk about we're going to open market, we're going to open the chat, we're going to talk about buying, selling, currency pairs, strategies, profitability, risk management, discipline. We're going to talk about a lot of things there. So make sure that you join the Telegram channel. If you want to be mentored by me, I have my mentorship. My mentorship. My mentorship program is very flexible. I have offers for people who want to be mentored for a month. If you don't want to see my face for more than 1 month, you know, I have a plan for you. If you want to join the mentorship for a couple of days, for a couple of months, 1 month, you can do that. If you want to join for 3 months, you can do that. If you want to do 6 months, you can do that. If you want to do 1 year, you can do that, right? How do you join the mentorship? Just go to the link in my bio. You see my link tree link there. Just click on it, then you see the mentorship payments option and all of that. You see everything. Then when you sign up for the mentorship, you will get an email that gives you the breakdown of all that you're going to be mentored on. Or if you even register for it, once you register, your email is going to be there. So we're going to send out information, whether you are paid or not. Once you register, you get the information of what you're going to be mentored on. Then when you pay, it's up to you. Nobody, no pressure. Nobody's disturbing you. Yeah. So go ahead and join the mentorship if you want to be mentored by me. Meanwhile, Telegram guys, they've been getting my daily analysis, getting my daily thoughts. Anything I'm doing, I just share it. So yeah, thank you guys. Nathaniel Brown, I see you. 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 Philip, I see you. I see you guys. Thank you guys for the comments. I'm loving it. It's giving me ginger. And if this live stream was not stop, oh, if it stops now, it's going to really pay me. Yeah. So let me just make sure that it's still there. Please keep the comments coming so that I can monitor it and be sure that okay, we're still live and we've not stopped. Still live and we've not stopped. Yeah. Yep. 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 Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Okay. So I said that Abby, wow. I said that I was going to talk to us about realities of trading, like what is keeping us, what's keeping us. This Natalia guy is making me laugh. What's keeping us from being profitable as traders? The thing that's keeping us from being profitable. It is not strategy. That's number one. It's not the strategy that keeps you from being profitable. Number one reason why you're not profitable is the person in the mirror. If you have a mirror in front of you, look at that mirror and you will find out the person that's keeping you from being profitable. Why do I say so? Trading is less about what is happening outside and more about what's happening inside. It's less about what's happening outside and more about what's happening inside, what's happening in your mind. Because profitable traders have realize that it is not about the strategy that they use. That's why many successful traders use different strategies. There's SMC trading, there's support resistance, there's trend trading, there's top down analysis trading. People do that. People trade top down. That's it. People just trade. There's what is it called? If you know any other trading strategy that's buzzing out there, just let me know. Um uh there are several types of strategies. So many traders trade different strategies, right? Profitable traders trade different strategies, but they still end up profitable. So it's not about the strategy. Any strategy that you have, as far as you have an edge and your strategy enables you to make more profit over a long period of time than losses, then that is a valid strategy. All you need to do now is to discover the strategy that works for you, the kind of person you are. Be realistic with yourself. Keep the questions come. There's ICT. Keep the questions coming. I'm seeing the questions. I'm going to get to them. So different traders have different strategies. Okay, someone said double top. There's chart pattern, double top, double bottom. Everything they work, right? All those trading strategies, people use it and make money now. Other block, thank you very much. There's other block. People use those things to make money. So it's not about the strategy. The question is, what kind of person are you? You don't know yourself. That's why you've not gotten the strategy that works for you, or you've not stuck with the strategy that works for you. Off the top of my head, I know like roughly 10 strategies. I know the double top, double bottom, the trend trading. I know the chart pattern. I know several strategies, and I decided that I don't want information overload. I want to focus on one strategy. Now Nathaniel asked, was it Nathaniel that asked, someone asked, consistency effect said, how did you know that GU was the one? How did I know that GBP USD was the one? Well, I already started trading a few currency pairs when I started. I was trading GBP USD, GBP JPY, and I was trading GUGJ, and I was trading one exotic pair, GBP Singapore dollars. That one was a very special pair, because people don't pay attention to exotic pairs, and they didn't know that these ones, they don't do too much manipulation on them, they just move simply, right? So I decided that okay, I was trading those pairs. Then when I got joined my mentor's mentorship program, and before joining the mentorship program, I was watching like him, the currency he was trading, the strategy, and it really worked for me. It resonated with me. His strategy was not far off from what I was already trading. It was just more precise, and I liked it. Right, I liked it. I said, okay, oh, if I'm joining this mentorship, I'm going to keep my own supposed knowledge aside, and I'm going to learn from this person. And so I decided that okay, oh, my mentor is Jeffrey Benson, for those of you that don't know. So I decided that I was going to join Benson's mentorship, and Jeffrey trades just GBP USD, and GBP USD is a like sweet pair. If you understand it, it's like a relationship. You can't be dating several people at once and think that you get the best out of them. But if you focus on one person, you get the best out of the person. That's my analogy for focusing on the currency pair. So I decided that okay, I'm going to focus on GBP USD. I'm going to trade it with this strategy. Okay, I'm going to trade it with this strategy. I'm going to see the results of trading it with this strategy, and that's why I stuck with GBP USD, and I've not gone back since, and I don't regret my decision. Because also knowing myself, I knew that I couldn't trade volatile pairs, because volatile pairs will make you, when you if you lose money on volatile pairs, voila. Gold showed me shege one time, like that was I think that was the last time I traded gold. I blew my account on gold. That was before mentorship and everything. So when I traded gold, and I was like, this kind of volatility does not work for me, because I know myself. I'm not going to try and conjure. There are different currencies that work for different people. So I was like, this currency is too volatile for me. It might work for some people, which is fine, but for me, I needed something slow and steady, something that I could see the movement, something that I could analyze, because I like to learn as I trade. I like to be watching. Okay, I'm managing my trade. I'm seeing the patterns that it's making. Market is not just moving boom, boom, up, down, up, down. It's not catching me unaware. I am focusing on what I'm doing. So that's why I decided that okay, go GBP USD works for me. So that's how I came to focus on GBP USD and trade my strategy and focus on that. So I'm also going to be sharing my strategy with us. Let me tell you something. No profitable trader hides their strategy. Strategy is not the holy grail. Don't let anybody use strategy to bait you into paying for courses here and there. Learn my strategy and you be this, you be that. Not lie you. It's easy to get a strategy. It's easy to form a strategy. It's easy to work with a strategy, because it's not strategy that makes you profitable, it's your mindset, it's who you are. Trading will teach you a lot about who you are, and discovering who you are as a trader will help you know what works for you, because not everything works for everybody. I can't do other block because I'm not that didn't work for me. I like simplicity, right? I like to be able to see something, understand it, and work with it, right? Work with that thing. So simplicity is very key for me. Some people like complex analysis, complex strategies, and it works for them. But you need to know yourself. You need to know yourself. How do you know yourself? You ask yourself real questions. There was a time I was losing so much money, and I had to just ask myself, like, how long can you continue losing money? Like, how long can you continue going around in cycles like this? This is before my mentorship. Oh. How long can you continue going around in these cycles? And I asked myself those real questions. And I was like, I can't continue like this anymore. I need to have a grounding. And so I began to develop myself while my mentorship program was going on, while I was, learning. Yeah, discovering who you are will help you know what to do. Yeah. So while I was learning, I was also building my psychology. I'm not so great with reading physical books. I try, but I know that when I listen to audiobooks, it helps me. So while I'm working, I'm playing an audiobook. So I went to get the trading psychology audiobook. I've read the physical book. Oh, I forgot. Like I forgot everything I learned in the physical book. So I went to take the audiobook and I played it, and every single day that I come to the market and I look at my charts, my laptop, I listen to that audiobook for 1 hour every day. 1 hour every day. If I'm not listening to that audiobook, I'm listening to another um um audio on trading psychology. I'm building my mindset. I'm trying to understand myself. Like, where am I falling short? Where am I not taking responsibility as a trader? Where am I how am I not having the right perspective to this trading? Because perspective matters. Why does perspective matter? Things are usually not how they are, but how we see them, right? Things are usually not how they are, but how we see them. So how I perceive something is that's what my reality is. If I'm looking at the chart and I'm seeing anytime I take a trade, the market goes against me, and I'm calling my village people here and there, that will be my reality. But when I look at the chart and I tell myself that this chart is giving me information, and I'm supposed to work with the information the chart is giving me in order for me to make my trading decision and accept whether or not I make profits or losses, because every trader experiences profits and losses. Don't be deceived. I mean, at this point, it's not breaking news. Every trader experiences losses and profits. I mean, I don't like to hide whether I make loss or I make profits. It's my journey, right? It's very important that we put it out there, because many traders live in a false sense of reality. Many traders don't really know the cocoa that trading, you will lose and you will win. The thing that keeps you in the game is proper risk management, self-awareness, knowing your tendencies. Some traders take trades and they don't accept the risk. They don't want to lose money, but they are engaging in something that is risky. You don't have the right mindset. The right mindset is that you know that this thing you are doing is risky. You have accepted your risk before taking the trade, and when you take the trade, whatever happens, you are not bothered because you've already accepted the risk. That is the mindset that you're supposed to take trades with, you're supposed to get into the market with. But some traders are taking trades and they've not accepted their risk. So when they lose money, even if they set the risk, it's still paining them. Why are you entering trades and when you lose money, knowing fully well that you can lose this money? It's a probabilities game. Knowing fully well that you can lose this money, then you don't predefine your risk. So some traders are low risk traders, some traders are high risk traders. I know many of us don't know this, but risk appetite, you need to know your risk appetite. It's important to know your risk appetite so that you know the kind of trader you should be. Some people are high risk traders, you can't take it away from them, and you cannot try to join them because some people will lose 50% of their account and they are okay. I mean, 50% is a lot, sha, but they will lose 50% and they are okay. You will lose 5% and you will not eat for 2 days. Then you now want to go and join them because you are seeing the results. When they are making the losses, it's the same effect. You now want to go and join 50% risk takers with your 5% risk appetite. It's not going to work. So you need to know yourself. For me, I'm not a high risk taker. I don't like to lose money anyhow. I'm not a high risk taker. I'm a low risk trader. I'm very conservative. I like to build. I like to build my profit over a period of time. I like to build. I don't like to move from 0 to 100 real quick. I love process, right? Process helps me take it steady, because if I try to move if I try to move my trades from 0 to 100, and if I make profits, I have a false sense of I'm overhyped, that yes, I know this thing too much. If I lose money, it's the same thing. The effects are extreme for me. So I don't want extreme effects. I want steady effects. I want to be able to, okay, I traded today, I made 2%, I made 3%, I made 1%. Okay, good. I lost 1%, 0.5%. Okay, we're making progress over a period of time. It helps me to see progress. That is how it works for me. I like the idea of trading as sowing a seed and to build a tree and watering it every day. That seed that you sow today, many people want to sow to a seed today and get a tree tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. We live in a life where you have to go through process. There's no shortcut. If you try to get shortcut, shortcut will cut you short. That's it. And so I know myself. I've been learning myself and trying to discover myself. What are my appetites? Because I ask myself a lot of questions. The person I'm looking up to is the person that I envision myself to be tomorrow, right? And the person I want to be better than is the person I was yesterday. The competition is not outside. I put up a post on my Instagram a couple of days ago talking about comparison. Many traders compare themselves. You that have been trading for 1 year, you want to compare yourself with somebody that has been trading for 10 years. It doesn't work like that. They are going to get different results from you, and that's okay. Build yourself so that 10 years from now, somebody will be looking up to you. So other people's successes are supposed to inspire you, not intimidate you. And the person that you are competing against is not somebody outside, it is yourself. So if you are building yourself, then you will be able to ask yourself the right questions. You'll be able to find out when you are missing it. You'll be able to you'll be able to find out when you are doing well. You'll be able to gauge yourself and know that, okay, oh, I'm the one that is doing this thing to myself, right? I'm the one that is doing this thing to myself. How will you know whether you're the one doing it to yourself? Your habits will tell you who you are. Your daily habits. There's nothing that tells. It's not motivational. It's not today I'm motivated, tomorrow I'm demotivated. It's habits. What do you do every day? When do you wake up? When do you wake up every day? Do you wake up by 10 o'clock when London session has passed or London session has started? Do you wake up by 10 o'clock, or you wake up before the session? You are prepared. You are not rushing yourself. 8 o'clock is when the London market opens, but you are there by 7 o'clock, 7:30. You are waiting. You are not anxious, right? What do you consume? Do you stay on social media so much, just watching how people are posting Lamborghini, Ferrari, people are going out partying and everything, but you're not building yourself? Those people that are posting those things, those are results from a lot of work that they put in that you didn't see behind the scenes. So what are you doing every day? Are you building yourself? Are you listening to trading psychology? Are you reading trading psychology books? Are you listening to audio books? Who are you surrounding yourself with? It's very important, because your environment determines your reality. So do you have this is my trading book. Do you have somewhere that you write your trading plan, where you follow your trading plan, where you write whatever you are experiencing, or however you are whatever your mindset is when you are trading? You have a book where you write it down. You should get a trading plan. You should get a notepad. You should have a plan. You should have targets for yourself. So when you find out these things, then you will know that there's a lot of work to do within yourself than outside. For me, even if I'm on several channels or places where people post the analysis, oh, GBP you will buy today, GBP you will sell tomorrow, whatever happens by 12 o'clock, it will buy, it will buy, voila, it will buy, it will sell. It doesn't matter for me. I zone in to what I am doing. I make my decisions based off of my thought pattern. That is how I know who I am. That is how I know what I'm doing as a trader. Because if I focus on the noise outside, I will look at what somebody put as an analysis. If I was trying to buy GBP USD, I was trying to sell. I was trying to sell and somebody put that going to buy, I will now go and buy instead of selling. Then if the thing goes against me, I'll say, ah, damn, now wow, I should have followed my analysis. Or if it goes in your favor, you've borrowed somebody else's work. Somebody else has done the work. That's copying and pasting. Like you're in an exam or somebody else has gone to read, then you're just copying, you're dubbing. Tomorrow, if they ask you that question, you will not be able to answer it because you dubbed it. So somebody has done their analysis, they've gone to look at their charts, they've done everything that they can do, and they are sharing what they think. Then you now go and copy it. Meanwhile, you've done your analysis, but you threw your analysis away. You won't believe in yourself. You won't be able to grow. Trading is for you to be profitable as a trader, you need to believe in yourself. Like you need to believe that you are good. That is very important. If not, there are so many people out there, there's so much noise, there's so many charts, there's so many analysis, there's so many creators, there's so many traders. Everybody has FX at the back or at the front of their name, right? Everybody has FX in the middle of their name. Right? Everybody has FX everywhere now. We're all traders and it's fine. No, there's no issue with having FX. The point I'm saying is that every trader has their mindset. Every trader has what they are doing. If you look outside too much, you would never zone in to yourself, discover yourself, and become that profitable trader that other people can look up to. And once I realized that during my mentorship. I joined Jeffrey's mentorship in 2021, 2022, right? In 2021, 2022, that's when I joined Jeffrey's mentorship, and like I kept on just focusing on zoning into myself, because the more you trade what you analyze, the better you get, the more you believe in yourself. When you analyze and you take your trade and you see your trade play out, you're building confidence. When you see your trades go against you and you are like, okay, the trade has gone against me, why? Was it my strategy? Was it the market? What is it? You are learning yourself. You are your competition. You are your competition. It's the job is with you. That's it. The job is with you. Every profitable trader has discovered themselves. That's why they are profitable. It's not because they went to learn somewhere. It's not because they went to do something elsewhere. There's no holy grail, there's no magic wand. The job is an inside job. It's you, it's all you. That's what it is, it's all you. So let me just quickly read the comment section right now. You guys have been giving me joy. Nathaniel Brown, you are giving me so much joy. Consistency FX. Thank you guys for the comments. Let me just yeah, discovering who you are will make you know what to do. Things aren't usually how they are, but how you perceive them. So consistency says, for himself, for my own, I think emotions are hard to master. I understand that. I agree with that. Emotions are not easy, and it's not easy to master, but the more you discipline yourself, you reduce the side effect of emotions.